If your child is preparing for a Spanish speaking exam, you might be wondering, I don't speak Spanish, how can I help them? Well, the good news is that you don't need to be fluent to make a huge difference. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step some ideas that you can use to support your child at home, even if your Spanish is a bit rusty. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, well, first up, start small. Just 2 minutes a day can make a big difference. Ask your child to describe their day, their favourite hobby, or even a family member in Spanish. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal here is confidence and getting them used to thinking in Spanish. You can try turning everyday situations into fun role plays as well. So you could pretend to be in a cafe, asking your child to order a drink in Spanish, or going shopping and asking ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Even if you don't know much Spanish, you can use simple cue cards to guide the conversation, but just make it playful. Another idea is to do mock interviews. So you can pretend to be the examiner and ask questions your child might get in their speaking exam. Encourage full sentences and then review the vocab together. So this gets them used to the kind of questions that they'll hear and helps reduce exam nerves massively. And a really powerful tip here is to record your child speaking for 1 minute a day. Then listen back to the recording together. They'll notice improvements, and it's really motivating for them to hear how far they've come. Plus, it will help them get to know their Spanish self. So even if you don't speak Spanish, you can still make practice enjoyable. For example, you can use visual prompts or photos, flashcards, any kind of object really. Ask them to describe what they see in Spanish. And you can gamify the experience. You can keep a points chart for daily speaking challenges, for example, if that kind of thing works with your child. Praise the effort, not perfection, because confidence is key. If you mix the media, short Spanish videos, songs, storybooks, even all of that can spark conversation. But if you're looking for more structured guidance, we run a GCSE Spanish course for home-educated children. They're packed with speaking practices, role-play exercises, and exam-focused strategies to give your child confidence and skills to excel in the exam. There are more details in the description below. So there you have it. Daily speaking tasks, role-play, interviews, and recording. They're just simple steps that will make a huge difference. And remember, consistency and fun are what help children succeed in their Spanish speaking exam. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment telling me how your child is practicing Spanish at home. Thanks for watching, and hasta la próxima.